Rhino. Today doing a it's a fifth wheel. So he's got actually has the most of the furniture out here, you know, which is unusual. It's really tight spaces. I do these things: travel trailers, fifth wheels, RVs. I got a short wand if I'm doing hot water extraction. That's my stair wand that I use. In this case, since I have so much room, I might use my regular wand as well. But up in there, you can tell it's kind of tight space, so really good to have the stair wand. Now, if you're doing VLM, and that's what you're planning to do, and you're getting started in the business, that is one reason why having a orbiter is pretty much mandatory if you're doing RVs and stuff like that. You're not, most of the time you're not going to have all this room. You'd be going around things, tight squeezes, right? So you need a smaller buffer. So those orbiters really are great for jobs like this. And, you know, especially up there, right? So if you're doing low moisture, get orbiter. And I also do recommend having the 175 both tools, and you'll be able to accomplish almost anything as far as carpet cleaning. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum here, and today I'm actually doing steam cleaning. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum here, and I am gonna agitate with the Oric. And I'm using carpet detail. I can do a really good vacuum because there's a lot of dirt and stuff in here. So, all right, stay tuned. Sitting in this corner, there's some water, there may be mold, but he wasn't worried about it. He really cares less about it. But I told him I'll go ahead and put some stuff on here to help with the mold, if there's any. It looks like there is. Seeing another corner, this kills it. I'm not charging them any extra for it. It's actually a disinfectant, kills mold and viruses. So I got a bottle of this stuff mixed up for when I walk into a house, or if they want to add it. But little areas like that, I'm not going to sit here and penny pinch people, you know. I know. You're wasting money, throwing away money. Well, I charged $140 for this. Probably going to take me 45 minutes. So, all right. So there's a few areas in here that are pretty bad. And I got a bottle of spotter mixed up in case I need it. But I'm going to go ahead and see how well the carpet detail does on it. And if I need it, I'll use it. If not, why waste it? No, I'm penny pitching. It's fun. Okay. I just don't, I know it ain't gonna hurt the cat, but I just don't feel right getting some clean solution and stuff in the cat food. And it just don't sit well with me. Although my stuff is green. Alright, well I'm gonna get up in here. I need 2 hands to get around and spray the rest of this Auric Orbiter green brush. I do need to buy another green brush. Don't make the mistake of leaving these on your machine and just sitting it down, leaving it there overnight. It'll push the bristles out, so you want to get the best rub. Now you see what I mean, getting a 175 right now. Alright, going back to when I was talking about the cat food, just because I said it was green safe, I don't mean it is safe to eat, so I just want to clarify myself right there. Yeah, try not to get any of this stuff in your food or your pet's food or not food. So, alright. All scrubbed up. Everything's already looking better. Can't wait for the results. A little bit of safety there. Don't want to be messing up corner. better. Trust me, I wasn't expecting too much, but I love to surprise people, so we'll see what he thinks. And I'm kicking myself in the butt because I attached to that stair tool, you know. Usually I use that 100% in a travel trailer or something like this, but these two open spaces, I was too lazy to walk out there and get my tool, hook it up, change the adapter, knock out these two rooms and do it. So, yeah, a little hard on your back when you're doing too much area like that. Hey, I'm not perfect. Alright, guys. So, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. And I appreciate everybody watching and supporting. And I hope you guys are learning something. And I'm always learning too. So if you got any tips, go ahead and leave that below. Alright, have a good one. See you in the next video.